Allow me to thank the new cabinet ministers and Public Service Commission PSC members for accepting to serve the nation in their various positions. They have demonstrated their willingness and commitment to discharge their duties as loyal citizens through the oaths of office they took before us. On behalf of Cabinet and the entire nation, I warmly congratulate them on their appointments. To the ministers, I say welcome to Cabinet. You have replaced Cabinet colleagues whose tenure of office has ended and are moving elsewhere. I convey deep gratitude to all of them for their invaluable service to the nation and wish them success in their future engagements. We are hugely indebted to the outgoing PSC Chairman, Mr. Lamin Samati, and Vice Chairman, Mr. Lamin Sam Jaite, for the exemplary service they rendered during the last 6 years. It is unfortunate that last week we lost Mr. Lamin Sam Jaite after a short illness. May Allah grant his soul eternal peace. Cabinet members, ladies and gentlemen, serving as a member of the executive or cabinet comes with great expectations and responsibilities. Cabinet calls for collective leadership. Hence, ministers are expected to work as a team to support government through policy and program advocacy and implementation. I believe that the appointees are aware of this and will join us as a team members to support one another for attainment of the Yirwa agenda. Our collective goal is to advance the cause of all Gambians. I have no doubt in their capabilities and ability to deliver on their mandates. However, I particularly advise you, the ministers, to work closely and cordially with your technicians to achieve your sector goals and serve the people honorably. Ladies and gentlemen, it is almost 6 decades of self-rule for the Gambian nation. Yet performance and service delivery in the country require much improvement. For this reason, let us no longer condone foot dragging, indifference, or negligence in service delivery. Our reform programs, whether within the civil service, state-owned enterprises, the security sector, or legal sector, demand positive transformation in work ethics and attitude to duty. To reiterate my government's position, 2024 is a year of delivery, due diligence, and quality service. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2017, I appointed Mr. Samati and his team to rebuild the civil service. They have since initiated a series of reforms to enhance efficiency. Key among them are the introduction of a robust online recruitment system and reform of the pension scheme in collaboration with the Personnel Management Office. The PSC has also initiated and implemented a vigorous monitoring and evaluation process through an outreach program to access service delivery effectiveness in the country. To successfully implement and sustain the initiative, the Commission needs to continue collaboration of all relevant stakeholders, most especially the Ministry of Public Service. In our commitment to the reform agenda that led to the bold decision of creating the Ministry of Public Service, to better coordinate the operations and functioning of the public service. The briefings I have received confirm that the PSC and the Ministry of Public Service have made significant strides through partnerships with sister institutions overseas. This has considerably improved capacity building intervention for our senior government officials. I am convinced that, on account of their immense experience, the incoming PSC members will build on the solid foundation laid by their predecessors. With the beginning of their tenure, I advise them to focus on monitoring and ensuring discipline in the civil service. Indiscipline must not be tolerated, in particular among senior officers. In a similar vein, lateness and leaving office before closing time, which we are relatively common, should stop. I have to emphasize also that promotion should not be determined by length of service only. Performance and merit deserve more weight as a criteria for promotion than duration of service. I request the Ministry of Public Service to immediately design performance appraisal instruments for use by the Commission this year. Meanwhile, we assure the Commission of our support to carry out its responsibilities effectively. Once more, I congratulate you, the newly appointed ministers and officials, and wish you success in your new positions. I am confident that you will add much value to the transformation and performance of the civil service for the realization of the NDP Yiriwa objectives. I thank you for your kind attention.